What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and this is DipakYoungBudha. Today I'm gonna talk about why start a YouTube channel. Okay, I have a few reasons. Listen. First reasons it's connect with peoples worldwide. Do you know you know that guys already what its advantage of connect with worldwide persons and another things is I'm so inspired and educated other persons, like it means for example youtubers. Okay, and another things it's on passive incomes. Another is so beautiful. Listen bro, and build a personal brand or business. That is the most important reasons for me actually. And another is so good all people share your knowledge and creativity. If you have any talent, any like wisdoms, what I'm saying, no bro, that is good. Okay, and if you have any type of talent, you can show from YouTube channel, and but not bad bro. Okay, and if you don't have to subscribe me, and right now subscribe my channels and more share, like. But if you have any reasons why start YouTube channels, and write a comment. I think you have good reasons. Bye.